Assalamu alaikum and a very good morning to all of you watching this video. How are you all? I hope that you all will be doing fabulous. Welcome back to the online class. Dear students, this is Miss Amara here and our today's topic is the useful coconut palm. This is our chapter number 7 of our book Understand and Communicate, book 1. So kindly all of you open the books, as we all know that books are the magic. So let's see what's the magic inside this book. Kindly all of you open the page number 45, and this is our chapter, the useful coconut palm. As we have already read this chapter, so let me give you a quick recap of this chapter. In this chapter, the writer says that one night in Philippines, he was standing in a grove of great coconut palms, and there was an old man who had spent all his life tending them. The old man asked him that if he could count the stars in the sky, then he would be able to count all the ways that coconut serves us. It means that as we are unable to count all the stars in the sky, so we are unable to count the benefits that this tree gives us. Many people call it the tree of life, and indeed, this tree's palm is by far the most useful of all trees. The writer tells us that it not only cooks food but provides the actual food to be cooked. The coconut palm provides clothes for the whole family. It gives a fisherman materials to build his boat and to equip it with sails, ropes, fishing lines, and nets. He says that you could live indefinitely on the tree's products. He tells us that it is used in kitchens, cars, and manufacturing of cigarettes. The writer says that it provides not only the material to build an entire house but most of the furnishings as well, like beds, mattresses, carpets, brooms, cups and saucers, and even soaps and toothbrushes. It not only heats a house with fire and cools it with fans but also lights it with a coconut wick. The writer tells us that it has no growth rings either, but its age can be calculated by a spiraling row of scars left by the leaves that have fallen away. One scar means a month. He tells us that most trees bear fruit only once a year, but at any given moment, the coconut has 12 different crops on it. The coconut palm demands plenty of sunlight and water, and it demands rain as well. He says that doubtless man has planted most existing palms, but they can spread themselves too. Nuts fall from overhanging palms into the sea and float until they are cast up on some friendly beaches. The palms can grow inland, but it has a mysterious affinity with the sea. So it is no doubt it is a very interesting chapter, and now we have to do the back exercise. This exercise is on page number 46. This is exercise 2, as we have already done the exercise 1. The exercises explain each expression as it is used in the passage. Number A, spent his life. It means the way he lived his life. Number B, the tree of life. It means a very useful tree. Number C, live indefinitely. It means living for uncertain period. Number D is industrialized nation. It means advanced countries. Number E is normal trees and it means usual trees. Number F, growth rings. As I have told you earlier, it means rings on the tree's trunk to show its age. Number G, even further afield, means growing even away from original home. Number H, some friendly beach. It means beach with favorable condition. Number I, volcanic action, and it means when a volcano bursts. Number J, a mysterious affinity with means a strange relationship with. So this is exercise number 2, and you have to write the meanings of these expressions on your books and on your notebooks as well. Okay. So kindly all of you maintain your pages and do this exercise on your notebooks as well. And after doing this, the next exercise is choose the best answer. That is exercise B on page number 46. The first statement is, by his words, the old man implied that number A, it was stupid to count all the ways that coconuts serve us. Number B, it was useless to count all the ways that coconut served us. Number C, it was almost impossible to count all the ways that coconut serve us. So number C is the true statement or the best answer. Now come on page number 47, and the statement number 2 is in the second and the third paragraph the writer names number A some of the uses of the coconut palm, some of the disadvantages of the coconut palm, all the parts of coconut palm that are useful to us. So the best answer to this statement is number A, some of the uses of the coconut palm. Moving to the next statement, that is the fourth paragraph shows between the coconut palm and the other trees. Number A option, the relationship. Number B, the similarities. Number C, the differences. Yes, number C is the best answer to this statement. The fourth paragraph shows the differences between the coconut palm and the other trees. Now moving forward to the fourth statement, that is how did the 41 coconut get to the new island? Number A statement option, they were brought there by men, they were carried there by waves, or they were cast there as a result of volcanic action. Number B option is the best answer, they were carried there by the waves. So this is our exercise number B, that is choose the best answers on page number 46 and 47. Dear students, you have to do this exercise on your books. I hope you have understood today's lecture. If you have any query regarding this chapter or this lesson or these exercises we have done today, you can ask me anytime. Okay? So kindly all of you open your notebooks, maintain the page, put the today's date, and start doing our today's work. So let me tell you our today's assignment, our class assignment. Our class assignment is to do exercise number 2 from book page number 46 on your notebooks. Exercise number 2 is explain each expression as it is used in the passage, and do exercise the choose the best answers on your books. Okay, you have to tick the best answers on your books, and I have to assign you some home assignment. Your home assignment is to read the lesson. You have to read the lesson to improve your reading skills. Okay, and what you have to do next, you have to learn your classworks what we have done today. Okay, okay, dear students, have a good day, take a lot of care of yourselves, and wait for the next video. Until then, have a good day. Allah Hafiz.